So we're going to head to the awards portion of the evening, and first up is our community service, our Wartburg College Community Service Award, and to present that is none other than, seems like a distinguished person among us, and a man that doesn't need any more introduction, Todd Coleman.
The Waverly Chamber of Commerce Community Service Award, presented by Wartburg College for 2015, is presented to a very dedicated and involved Waverly citizen who has lived, worked, and volunteered in Waverly for over 25 years, raised 4 children, and made a significant dream a reality in Waverly this past year. A graduate of Denver High School, Ellsworth Community College, and the University of Iowa College of Pharmacy, the recipient is an avid runner and cyclist. She's competed in the Chicago Marathon, loves ride and discovering new bike trails in the summertime. She hasn't missed a single episode of Survivor in 15 years, 30 seasons. This community leader has been involved in the following: Leisure Services Commissioner, Head Over Wheels for Safety, Family Fun Fair, Rail Trail Committee, Best Damn Run, Iowa Pharmacists Association, and the IPA Rack Ride Planning Committee. She has also been involved in the healthcare arena: Waverly Area Healthcare Collaborative, Waverly Area Partnership on Healthy Living, Clinical Services and Nursing Administration, adjunct faculty for the University of Iowa Hospital Pharmacy Preceptor. This year's recipient is Sharon Cashman. Thank you, but I'm not even done yet. I got a whole nother page. Well, you stay right here. This year's recipient is Sharon Cashman, Pharmacy Manager for the Hospital and Center Pharmacy, celebrating 25 years at the Waverly Health Center this month. Sharon was the hospital's first employed pharmacist. The idea of an amphitheater in Waverly has been the topic of discussion for the past 13 years. The city had money dedicated to the structure's completion years ago, but just couldn't seem to get it off the ground. What started out as a favor for Mom turned into an award-winning design project and volumes of life experience for 2 Iowa State University architecture students. Sharon's daughter, Ann Cashman of Waverly, and Darian Liu of Shanghai volunteered their time to design an outdoor amphitheater for the city of Waverly that even the neighbors like. And not only did it win 2nd place in a national community design competition, Sharon Cashman was instrumental to make sure it was built as well. The curved ribs of colored, recycled glass form a visual crescendo beyond the elevated stage, rising to a height of 16 feet before sliding down to only a few feet tall, above 65 feet wide. The glass panels have a purpose too, Ann Cashman said. They project sound, and they won't vibrate or break because of the glass is thick. The curves bounce the sound around rather than focusing or dampening it. The budget for the amphitheater was $300,000. Vision Iowa granted $78,000. $110,000 was set aside from the city hotel tax, and the rest was acquired through fundraising. It was built on the north portion of Kohlmann Park, facing south. The site used for public events and concerts. The park and location also offers amenities such as restrooms, playground, and is accessible by the bike trail. The structure is also designed to allow water to flow through it in the event of flooding, since the park sits on the west bank of the Cedar River. Tonight, we would like to thank and recognize Sharon Cashman, recipient of the 2015 Community Service Award, for her efforts in planting the seeds, involving her daughter, raising the funds, and creating public awareness and excitement for the Shades of Rhythm Amphitheater in Kohlmann Park. Thank you very, very much.
friends here that were on the RAG committees, that we work together, and we hope to continue this, like Jane said, the brightness, the future, and the things that are happening in Waverly. Thank you very much.
How about being named as for the Distinguished Service Award for this year?
I am just really surprised. I was nominated by a coworker, and I just didn't really expect it. And we're just happy to see Waverly grow and Waverly progress the way it is.
What do you think was the best thing about your year that's helped you win this award? What event did you help you with?
With the whole project with the amphitheater, I got to know so many other people and the whole band board, and they continue to keep me on as an honorary member on the band board, and just working with the chamber. It's been an excellent year.